Hello and welcome to Daily News Analysis by Abid Siksha. Today is 4th of May 2023 and this is the list of news that we'll be covering today. Today's first important day is the International Firefighters Day. Now every May 4th, International Firefighters Day is observed to honor the firefighters for their work, courage and sacrifices. Now firefighters are like what? They are like the guardians of our society and they dedicate their lives in protection of our life and property, right? And the theme for 2023 is honoring the heroes who protect us. So firefighters are one of those heroes who protect our life and property. And this theme reflects the importance of recognizing the bravery and dedication of firefighters who risk their lives. It is such a risky job to be a firefighter, right? You have to go through fires, and where there is burning of properties or forests, these guys are the first line of defense for us, right? The second important day is the Coal Miners Day. Now, National Coal Miners Day is observed on May 4th every year to honor and recognize the hard work and sacrifices of coal miners. Again, coal miners also, they work very hard, tirelessly, and to bring the coal. From that coal, it goes to plants which produces electricity, which helps run the trains, right? So you can understand all these workers are very hardworking people. And this is the day to acknowledge the contribution of coal miners to nation's economy, right? Yeah. Now, many would say coal mining is illegal in many parts of the country, and it is also not good for environment. But what is running the economy in our country? Till now, more than 50% of the electricity is coming from coal, right? So if you don't want your nation to develop, then of course you can look up and fight for environmental protection of all these areas where coal mining is taking place. But then what is running your economy, or what is running our economy, is the coal. Okay, and coal is used by many industries, and it provides significant amount of energy to power, right? So as I have mentioned, it provides power. Now if you don't want this to happen, many believe in environmental activism of Western philosophies, but in India we still need development. We still need our nation to grow. Okay, so this day is for Coal Miners Day. In the next news, we have this: India slips 11 positions on World Press Freedom Index. Now this index is given by this Reporters Without Borders. It's a global media watchdog, and they publish every year, okay, on press freedom of countries across the world. So India last year was 150 out of 180 countries last year itself. Okay, now we have gone down to 161. So our situation has gone from problematic to very bad, and it is actually a very shameful report, because we should be ashamed of ourselves, because India, being the largest democracy in the world, has one of the lowest freedom of press. That means what? That just means there is no free flow of information, right? We are becoming, if we are at the bottom, then of course I think they will be North Korea, but we are at 161 out of 180 countries, not far away from the bottom, right? And it has worsened not only in India but in other countries like Tajikistan, which is down by 1 at 153rd, and Turkey, which is down by 16th at 165, right? So this index proves that India has a insecure working conditions for journalists. All right, so this is a shame actually. We shouldn't be proud of it. We should actually look into ourselves and think about this. Then Ministry of Science and Technology in PIB. So a smart gel based sheet has been developed by whom? By a team of researchers at Indian Institute of Science IISC in Bangalore. Now this is one of the premier institutes in India that produces researchers and talents in the field of science and technology. Apart from IITs, I would recommend, if you are very interested in research and development, you can look into this institute for studies or even for jobs if you're really good, right? So these researchers have developed a smart gel based sheet, okay, and this sheet is used for nerve repair surgeries. Okay, now what is this sheet? So if this sheet transforms itself, okay, first they make the sheet using 3D printing, okay, and this sheet, when it is used for in the surgery of healing of nerve injuries, it self rolls into a tube during the surgery, and it forms a conduit. Conduit meaning like a cylindrical passage like this, right? So nerves are like this, right? If you have seen the images in biology, nerves look like this, somewhat like this in the microscope. So these tubes, this sheet, it self rolls when mixed with water. So normally now, what in the nerve injury or in the treatment of nerve injury, autographs are used, okay? Autograph is a little expensive and a very high skill is needed to to form the conduit of nerve. Now this sheet can self roll into conduit like this, and this helps in reducing the complexity of the surgeries. So what an amazing discovery or invention, you could say. So they have said that the researchers have stated that these technologies are known as 4D printing. It's 4D. So first it was a sheet like this, then when mixed with water, it self rolls like this. And this is by 3D printing, and when it self rolls, it's 4D, right? You could understand this news. If you are still having some doubts regarding this, you can comment down below. I'll explain it to you again via text. Ministry of Science and Technology again in PIB. So this metavalent chemical bond, this is a new type of chemical bonding in solids. We know there are few bondings in solids, right? Chemical bondings. Those who are from the science background, they'll know better. So this metavalent bonding can be used to tailor thermoelectric performance in quantum materials. This in turn will convert waste heat to electricity. Okay. So in a lot of industries, you could see waste heat coming out, right, from their chimneys and all, etc. So generating electricity from waste heat, it is an exciting prospect for green energy production. Now this metavalent bonding can in fact help developing further technologies, right, to convert waste heat into electricity. Okay. From Assam Tribune, we just took this news. There is first is Pranab Sinha Memorial Award. Pranab Sinha was one of senior journalists and founder president of Sonitpur Journalists Association. So on his 10th death anniversary, the memorial award has been presented to the senior journalist Gaurab Sarma. for his contribution in the field of journalism, right? Then B. Palkee, she is a Kathak dancer and also an actress, was conferred the title of Nritya Shiromani at Nritya Utsav 2023, which was organized by Prayas Kala Kendra on the occasion of World Dance Day. So this person has also achieved the Young Achiever Award in 2020 by Kiran Foundation, and in 2022 also was awarded the IIDF Future Face Award at the International Dance Festival, right? So she has been practicing the dance form for the last 12 years. So B. Palkee, Nritya Shiromani title. Alright. So with this we come to today's news analysis, and we hope you are enjoying this series. Do follow us on our Telegram channel and also on our Instagram channel to get updates on our new courses and the course materials. If you want all these PDFs, you have to join our Telegram channel. Plus, we are providing our crash course. You can definitely look up if you're serious in preparation for all the civil service examination. You can look up our YouTube channel, and then there are various crash courses, various subjects. If you can choose any one of them, or you can choose to watch all of them for your preparations. Plus, we have our study circle that happens in the morning, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. for serious candidates only, those who want to have that one-on-one interaction with us and develop their personality, plus interact with various civil servants who have cleared the exams with high honors. And also there is interview practice in our study circle. Right, so the link is given in the description box below. You can check that out too. So thank you for joining this session. We'll see you soon.